Hello.
Hi all.
This is Viral.
Wishing you
A
happy
very
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Okay, just so you know, we did this all over a couple of minutes ago, and then of course I did not realize that there was no memory in the memory card. So this is the second time we are doing this, and it feels even sillier than it did the first time. But we have been instructed by Priya to say a few words on this joyous occasion of your birthday. So
And hopefully everyone else also has done the video
yes, because
as
if not,
instructed.
yes, because if not, Priya is going to be very, very angry, like you would say, and she's going to hit everyone. So we decided, even though it is last minute, as usual, we would do it and send it to you.
So Payal was supposed to think about some memories and tidbits which she cannot
Which I
recollect
can't think of right now. But once the video is over, I will remember everything and I will make a list and I will send it to you. And on your birthday, we will be thinking of you. We shall be binging a little bit, and we hope that you will be binging on your
Birthday.
no, on what?
On the Kadlekai, I think.
The Kadle Puri.
Oh right, Kadlepuri.
On
What
the-
is Kadlekai? Sing.
Yes.
Okay.
On the Kadle Puri, and because it is your birthday, we shall also binge and we shall have some masala papad and maybe some pasta and maybe some.
No, I think Payal is going to be having a girls' evening out.
Oh yes, Tuesday
So
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
be
be eating
out.
pav
So.
bhaji home alone.
Yes, Veera will be home alone eating some pav bhaji, but I shall make sure we come back and we do some binging just because it is your birthday, and I will be wearing a Fatiodo non-matching blouse to the sari, and I will be holding a bellon and tuck my sari in, and I shall be walking around the house, and I shall do some screaming here or there, and I shall be doing some imitation here, there, everywhere, and I shall be walking up and down the hall in front of the TV telling the Miss Universe dialogues.
And eating goonka laddu and sleeping whenever she doesn't know what to do. What else to do rather.
Just like you instruct.
Exactly.
Anyway, I can't think of
hope
any
you have a
details.
very great day. Hope you have lots of fun.
Yeah, enjoy your day, mummy. Have a good day. We miss you. We hope you can come here soonly, as Priya would say. And hopefully we will see you soon. Enjoy your day. Have a great year ahead. Do your bhakti properly. And may God give you all you want and all we want also. So then you can give it to us.
Happy birthday
mummy.
again.
Love you, mummy. Miss you
Love
lots.
you. Bye.
Bye.